The knives are sharper, the stakes are higher, and the kitchen is hotter than ever.
And I'm like, oh my gosh, what on earth is this?
My time management skills are not as good as I thought.
I'm looking over at Tashif and wondering if he's gonna make it.
This is season 2 of All Fired Up, where friends and family step into the kitchen and battle it out in a high-stakes cooking challenge.
I'm a chaotic cooker.
Can camera get the shot right now? You said it's boiling? He's getting red, but you're slow on time right now.
With a surprise judge waiting at the end. Last season, we celebrated South Asian flavors, and this year, we are going global with an international menu and contestants bringing the taste of different cultures to the table.
One bunch of bananas. Like, what would you use bananas for?
Definitely should be somewhere around here.
If your man is confused, I'm happy.
A little nervous.
Okay, the pressure is on.
New faces, new twists, and one shot to win it all. This is All Fired Up.